السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. پیارے حضور.
وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ عثمان صاحب.
Hazur, conditions in the US are worsening in terms of racial tensions, raging nationalism, and economic disparity. My question is, how can Ahmadi Muslim play a positive role in resolving these issues?
Yes, you are right. But not only in the United States, in so many Western countries, the popularity of rights are increasing. The recent war between Russia and Ukraine, those people who are migrating from Ukraine to the European countries, there are quite a number of immigrants living in Ukraine. There were Asians, Africans, and some other nations. But when they reached European country or even to Poland, crossed the border, they were saying only we shall accept local Ukrainians, not the foreigners. That also shows that some racism is working there, right? And they were maltreated. So anyway, our Humanity First group is there, so they treated them well and then helped them. Anyway, so your question is that what role you can play to overcome this situation. You see, it needs justice and absolute justice. So you tell your countrymen that they are not the native of this country, the present Americans. Red Indians were the natives of country. So they did not do justice with them, and they are not considered as first-class citizens of the country, although they claim, but practically their rights are being denied in so many ways, right? So you tell them that this cannot work for a longer period. Secondly, these are the people who brought Africans to their country, either in the form of slaves or helpers or whatever it is. These are the people who played a vital role for developing the country. So they should be respected. They should be given due rights. And ask them that they should realize this fact. Otherwise, a time will come when there will be revolt. People will stand up against them. And then they themselves will ruin their country. So this is the time that they should change their mind, and instead of showing supremacy of their color and race, they should rather do justice. This is how we can tell the people that we are your real sympathizer. We want you to change your mindset and now live together amicably with all other races. Now America is a multinational country. There are South Americans, Eurasians, Asians, Africans, and white Americans. So now we should respect each other and live amicably in the country. Otherwise, we are going to doom our nation and our country. So this is the message we have to spread everywhere, and Ahmadis should play their role in this regard. Okay? Right. Assalamu alaikum.